Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, and I have been in the mood lately to redo things, and this just seems like to me it needs to have some redoing, redone, yeah. And I think it's time for a clean skewer, just in case, and to see what I feel like I want to do, where I want to do it, and know that I have some paint over behind me that will become very useful very suddenly, should I so desire to use it. And I think that this would make a much better bouquet than anything else. So I'm going to just give myself permission, like I said. And see if I can't bring it forward to something I like more than what I've got. And if I can't, I'll do something else entirely with it. And I've never done exactly this before, so it should be a very good experiment. And I want some darker purple. I wish I'd mixed some up. And I want to use some darker turquoise in places. That's not really very dark. I've got a darker one. And it's probably looking right. There we go. I've got some green too. And I've always just kind of wanted to embrace the idea of playing with my colors with the skewer. And I love this green and the other turquoises together, so I'm thinking that that might work out if I don't panic too much about what's happening. And I'm not panicking yet, and I'm giving myself all kinds of room to play. That is a neon purple from Folk Art. They are sort of flower forms, for sure, and I'm not minding them a bit. And I get to play. The timer will shut off in 17 minutes. So that's what I set it for. That was stupid. My camera will shut off in 20 minutes, so I set my timer for 17, so I have a chance to tell you guys whatever I'm inclined to tell you. I need some more of that in the center. Some more of that. And I want some more abstract. I want to be much more abstract than I was. I don't know if I can completely rescue it to what I would love it to become, but nothing's going to stop me from trying. Just using, it's a really, really wide skewer. I've got to get the, I've got tops in my hands. And where's my gold? There it is. I think maybe just following my instincts is my best plan. That may include my fingers. and all kinds of weird stuff. We get to see what happens on a dry canvas when different colors get together. And I'm feeling like I need something a little higher up here. Push some of that color right over the edge. Move my goggles back so I can see a little better. I just need some balance I don't have yet. I need to not leave a whole package of skewers in my way. And I want some other colors in here. Strangely enough, it's just playtime to experiment with shapes and marks. And that was cool because that made some neat little cells. I think a little bit of that isn't going to hurt anything right there either. And maybe up here as well. Now that I know it sells. Let's just go like this. And go back to that purple again. Maybe a little gold in the meantime. You could say it's getting busy, but it was already so busy. And it made a beautiful photograph. It was just stunning. When I looked at it, I'm like, that's not the same painting. Something about the way the sunlight was hitting it and stuff. But I'm really liking some of the things that are happening here. So I forgive myself for anything that I might construe as annihilation of something that was nice. I don't mind letting some of that just fall right over the side. You see, I've got a nice line of purple that I left. I need to go back to with something else beside it. That may not be the something else I really want there. I don't mind a little schmutz on my skewer. It changes up the colors. And I gotta just give myself a moment once in a while to look and see how I'm feeling about where the darks and the lights are and where the eye is traveling around. And I'm not hating any of that. And I do realize when I use the Prussian blue with gold, I will almost always get something interesting as far as cells go. You watch. It won't happen. I was going to say you watch. And it will happen, but it might not. You can't count on anything with this very well, but you can take an educated guess once in a while. I've never really given myself this kind of permission before to mess with a composition, and I really want to play with that because it's out of my normal wheelhouse, and I know it will pretty much fade away anyway, so it would be nice to see if I can keep some of the neon pink. I don't mind keeping some of the background. That's not what I want there. It's not really going to be like anything else I've done, but that's okay. That is kind of the point. It'd be good to keep some of my paint out of my way. I've got some other green that I want to put in there. Yeah, I kept looking at it and going, it's a bouquet with no foliage. So I'm not sure I want that down there. But I'm willing to try this over here. Just knock it right down over the end and make sure that piece of dried paint that keeps dogging me goes away. You can just shove the skewer right up through things else. I think I'm just going to have too much fun here. I've got 6 minutes left. It's a good idea to keep track of what's going on in the clock. So I could maybe get it done in time. Whatever it is, it's pretty surreal. But that's okay too. I'm liking adding the contrast. Don't want to cover every little flower, but they're very surreal anyway. I want something in here, and I think I know the color I want, and if it would come forward I would appreciate it. That's not it. That won't hurt. There it is. What else do we want to put with that? You know, I'm just going to go for it. Maybe. Trying not to think of that as a mistake. Liking this turquoise up there so much that it might be the solution to my issue. If I'd leave my paint out of the way, I'd be much happier. I'm doing it again. Wow. I'm going to take some of it and put it over there too. Just going to use the colors I love. See what happens when they get crossed with each other. And that's not hurting my feelings. I do want some more green in there. That's not hurting my feelings either. Where's my green? I have several greens. I haven't used any dark green yet. I'm just going to roll that sideways. Make some spiky things. Push it up a little bit, sort of dig it right into the canvas. There's a certain see-through quality to some of the color shifts as they go on. Let's see what happens when I put some of this mica powder right in here. And it would generally sink away, but I'm not certain of anything right at this exact moment. A lot more bouquet-like than it was when I started, that's for sure. Just going to let some of that color go right down over the edge. So that leaves me with something up here. And I want to do something with this in the few minutes that I've got. And I'm wondering if it should be something strange. I don't think turquoise is the answer, but I'm going to put some in there anyway. Very tempted by copper, and I don't know why. gold might work. A little bit more gold wouldn't hurt. Oh, that's the micro powder gold. It's okay, I'm just using the skewer sideways anyway. Now, right in front of you is the copper. You know it's here, right? You just, there it is. Yeah, a little bit of copper here and there. It's a weird combination, I admit it. Chances are good I'm going to bring some black or some blue or something else up here. Prussian blue saves the day. We shall see. My paint's getting a little gloppy, so it's almost time to abandon ship. Yeah, that sounded funny. There's no ship here. See if I can make a composition work upside down. Alright, that's my 2-minute warning, so I should tell you guys, please shop my Amazon link. It's under the video. At no cost to you, and it helps me out when you go there. If you would like to help me out, and I would love for you to help me out. I don't make a living here, and art supplies are expensive. So if you decide to be a contributor like some people have in the past, thank you very much, some people in the past. You can find PayPal and Patreon places to donate, and you will be entered in a monthly contest. It's very surreal. Let's see if I like the top or not. I don't hate it. That's pretty cool. Must have some other pink though. Maybe some over there too. I hope we don't have to come back, but you can never tell. Alright, so if you would give me a thumbs up, I would so appreciate it. It tells the YouTube algorithm where to place my videos so that more people can find them. And when more people find them, I continue to come back here every day. And I would love to keep doing that. So thank you guys for the wonderful comments you always leave me. I really so appreciate you guys being a morale booster so much. I have a funny feeling I'm not as done as I wish I were. But I like what I've got a lot better than what I had. And I don't believe I'm going to need to torch because I'm putting the skewer through everything so thoroughly. We got some really neat stuff happening up here with some cells from using the skewer sideways. I love combining the green gold with other stuff. Which means maybe that's what's supposed to be happening right there. I'm actually pretty happy with this. I didn't give myself a long time to work on it, but I kept looking at it for a long time beforehand. So I might have had some subconscious idea of what I was going to be doing in my mind. I love you guys. Wow, that's a heck of a breeze. I love you guys, and there's almost 79,000 of you as I speak to you today, and so I don't know what that's going to mean in the future. Hopefully you guys keep watching. If you watch more videos, they're on the end screen if you're looking for them. You can help me out. The longer you watch, the better off I am. I appreciate you guys very much. That is pretty neat. I'm not unhappy with that a bit, and I kind of still wish I had put a little bit of green in there, which won't come out anyway. Okay then. Come on, you can do it. It's a metallic green.